Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about what happens during a commercial roof inspection. So say you came to work today and you notice some brown spots in your ceiling and you believe it's a roof leak and you want to get it figured out and get the problem fixed. So the first thing you do is probably call a commercial roof inspector or commercial contractor in your area. Most will do it for free. If they don't, I don't know why that happens, but most of them will do it for free in hopes that they'll give you a good report. You'll trust what they say and you'll use them to fix your roof. But I wanted to dig deep into what actually goes into that inspection after you give them a call. So the first thing they'll do is they will go inside your building. They'll go inside your building, you'll tell them where you saw the roof leak happen, and that'll give them some direction on where the roof is going to be headed on the roof. So if you have a bathroom, right above the bathroom on the ceiling is probably where a penetration is, either a HVAC unit or a chimney, something along those lines. That's where most leaks happen, but what happens on the inside of the building will give the contractor direction on what's happening on the roof. The second thing is they will walk your roof. Obviously they'll go up there and usually start around the perimeter and work their way towards the middle. That way they don't miss anything on your roof. Just because they start on the outside and most of the penetrations and flashings around those areas. So they'll start there. The next thing they'll do is they'll grab a core sample. And what this will do, where's my core sample? So this is a spray foam roofing core sample, but what they'll do is they'll drill a little hole in your roof. And what this will tell them is how many roofing layers are on your roof, if there's any saturation, how long the roof's been there, etc. Just gives the roofing contractor more information on what's been going on in your roof over the last 10, 15, 20 years. But how long does this actually take? So usually on a 20,000 square foot roof, which is an average size, 30 minutes to an hour they'll be on your roof. And after that, they will give you a report. Put that over here. So they'll take all their findings, take a bunch of photos, and they'll give you a report. And it'll include three things. It'll include the deficiencies that they found, so everywhere your roof is leaking and not performing well. And they'll give you a couple options on what you want to do going forward next. So they'll tell you you can repair your roof, you can restore your roof, you can replace your roof, you can do nothing. But getting all this information is what you need to make the best decision for your roof. And the last thing they'll do is they'll give you a quote. And it'll take them 3 to 5 days to give you this report. All the deficiencies will have photos that back up their claims. They'll give you a quote and you can take it back and do whatever you want with it. But the next step is after you get a bunch of quotes from a bunch of different roofing contractors, take them, compare them apples to apples, and go through them and see which one's highest price, which one's lowest price, and why they are that way. We actually have another video. It's about what lies building owners are told by roofing contractors, and this happens after they get quotes. So there's a bunch of lies in there. You gotta check them out. It'll help you make the best decision when you're comparing quotes. And that's really it for today. Hope you learned at least one thing new today. And thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.